Namaste, and welcome to AI Baba. Trademark your daily guide to cosmic calm and clarity. Let's align your soul with the stars this serene Saturday, the 21st of June 2025. Now let's see which zodiac signs are shining brightest today. Cancer or Kaka, your emotional depth turns into quiet power today. Take this time to reflect, recharge, and reconnect with your true self. Your lucky color is pearl white. It will help soothe your mind. Watch out for your energy window between 9:00 and 10:45 a.m. perfect for meditation or gentle planning. Taurus or Vrishabha, stability is flowing into your plans. Focus on home, family, and long-term comfort. Soft green is your lucky color, inviting peace and grounding. Your power time is 11:30 a.m. to 12:45 p.m. Make the most of it for important conversations or self-care. Capricorn or Makar, your inner discipline will help you create space for peace. This is a wonderful day for journaling or a bit of solitude. Earth brown is your lucky shade. Let it ground your spirit. Your golden hour 6:00 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. Use it to reflect, unwind, or simply be. And to all those celebrating a birthday today, a gentle wish to you. You hold the essence of intuition and purpose. This year, let self-compassion and mental decluttering guide your way. Today's affirmation: I create peace within and peace flows out. Now, a quick weather snapshot for India. North India, expect a slight breeze, warm and dry. Delhi and Jaipur remain sunny. In the south, rain is likely for Chennai, Kochi and Hyderabad. Over to the east, Odisha and Bengal are overcast with scattered showers. Mumbai is cloudy while Pune and Gujarat will stay dry and comfortable. My weekend tip: hydrate and if possible, step into nature. Cosmic energy today is shaped by Saturn's subtle influence, bringing calm reflection. Avoid rushing into decisions. It's a healing day ideal for meditation, family time and releasing old regrets. Don't overstimulate yourself, embrace simplicity. Here are a few do's and don'ts for your Saturday. Do light a candle for clarity. Write down what no longer serves you, let it go. Speak gently and pause before replying. Don't multitask. Avoid oversharing on social media. Don't chase, instead, attract with calm. Let's check the Grah, Disha and Vedic alignment. The moon is in Cancer today, nurturing emotional depth and family bonds. Rahu Kaal is from 9:00 to 10:30 a.m., so avoid major beginnings there. Choghadiya Muhurat brings morning calm between 7:45 and 8:30 a.m. and an evening glow from 6:15 to 7:00 p.m. South-facing direction is auspicious today. If you're having a tough time, remember, rest is not weakness, it's a reset. You're not meant to figure out everything today. Just breathe and let today hold you. A gentle mantra for now: I soften into trust. That's your cosmic compass for Saturday, the 21st of June 2025. Spend some time inward. Share love. Embrace rest. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for your daily spiritual alignment. Powered by Angel Technologies.